Hello fly babies, hello patrons, hello lions. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your home, control in your life, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday. We have a 3-layer cake. First layer, routines. Second layer, basic weekly plan. Third layer, zone. So our first layer is our routines. We're going to start with our morning routine, whether you work outside the home, payroll fly baby in the home, or you are an at-home fly baby. You're going to do the morning routine, and then you're going to put your children, if you have them, through their morning routine. Then after that, if you're working, you're off to work. If you're at home, you're going to go straight into doing a load of laundry, going through an inch of paper. Once you've done that, then you're going to start your basic weekly plan. Today is Friday. It's car and purse day. Super simple. Go to the car, empty out the trash, put the things that need to be put away back in the house. Vow to yourself that you're going to remember when you put the key in the ignition that you're going to say to everyone, don't forget whatever you brought in the car you're bringing out, or when you start the ignition if you don't have a key, whatever. When you turn the ignition off, you're going to say, okay, these are the things that I brought in. Everybody get the things that you brought in the car with you. We're taking them out of the car. We're going to make our car look nice all the time. So remember to do that. That's going to make a big difference in this part of your life. So today you're going to go out and do a little quick clean of the car, and you're going to clean out your purse or change purses if that's what you want to do. It's also a great time, if you want to run your car through the car wash. Now, if you're working, here's what we're going to do. You're going to do your morning routine, your kids' routines, go to work. Then on your lunch or break or breaks, you're going to do your car. You always keep those Walmart bags in the drawer, so you grab a couple and go out to your car and take care of it. Sit in your desk, or if you can't stay in your office on your break, go into the break room and go through your purse in your lap and just take the trash out of it and kind of organize it. And think about it if you want to switch purses tonight. And then you're also going to think about that basic weekly, the weekly home blessing hour, that basic weekly plan that you've delegated, and remind whomever it is you've delegated it to take care of it. And then also remember that this is date night. So don't forget that when you go home today, everything is going to be geared to date night, okay? Same with you at home fly babies. Don't forget this afternoon, start thinking about date night. All right, so let me bring everybody up to the same point. I think we are right now. So when my payroll fly babies come home, or patrons come home, then you're going to start a load of laundry, go through an inch of paper, start your supper, inspect what you expect. If that basic weekly plan item hasn't been done, that weekly home blessing hour item, then you're going to do it yourself and delegate to the person the consequence. And then also work in zone 3 for a few minutes, and that's it. Have dinner, enjoy yourself, or feed the kids dinner. Now we're going to do the before bed routine. Well, after dinner routine, everybody's going to clean up. Then you're going to do the before bed routine, but you're going to go get ready for your date with your husband. And the kids are going to get ready for bed, or maybe your sitter will take care of that. That would be awesome. All right, that's it for today. Don't forget that you are beautiful, and have a wonderful night.